Every time you light cannabis flower, you're running a chemistry experiment, and most of what you're burning, including the best parts, is being destroyed before it ever reaches you. Let's start with what's actually in your flower before you light it. Cannabis contains two main classes of terpenes, monoterpenes and sesquiterpenes. This distinction matters enormously when heat is involved. Monoterpenes are the lighter, smaller molecules. Myrcene, pinene, limonene, terpinolene, the bright citrusy, piney, energizing aromas you smell when you open a fresh jar. They have lower boiling points, most vaporize between 160 and 185 degrees Celsius. They are also the most volatile, meaning they evaporate fast, degrade fast, and are destroyed fastest by heat. Sesquiterpenes are heavier, larger molecules. Caryophyllene, humulene, bisabolol, the deeper earthy, spicy, woody notes. Their boiling points are significantly higher and they are far more heat-stable. Caryophyllene, for example, survives temperatures that completely destroy most monoterpenes. Now here's what smoking does to both classes. Combustion hits cannabis at around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, well above the vaporization point of every monoterpene in the plant. The bright citrus, pine, and fruity notes, gone before the smoke reaches your lips, the fresh jar aroma you smelled before lighting, that was almost entirely monoterpenes. Combustion obliterates them. Sesquiterpenes survive better. Caryophyllene and humulene are still present in the smoke because their higher molecular weight makes them more heat-stable. This is why smoked cannabis often tastes earthier and spicier than it smells fresh. You're inhaling the sesquiterpene survivors. Then there's bioavailability. Only about 25 to 30% of the THC in your flower actually makes it into your bloodstream when smoked. Up to 37% of cannabinoids are destroyed by combustion entirely. The rest is lost to sidestream smoke. What smoking does deliver? The fastest onset of any consumption method. THC crosses from lungs to bloodstream in seconds. You feel it immediately and can calibrate in real time. That control is the genuine advantage of flower over edibles and capsules. Three things that actually affect your smoking experience that nobody mentions. Grind consistency. Even medium grind burns cleanly and delivers more consistently than a coarse, uneven one. Moisture. Properly cured flower burns slower, cooler, and preserves more of the surviving sesquiterpenes than dry, harsh flower. Method. Joints burn continuously, wasting product between hits. Pipes and bongs deliver more efficient single hits, and the water in a bong cools the smoke without meaningfully filtering cannabinoids. Episode 2 is vaporizing, where temperature control lets you choose which terpene class you actually inhale. Follow Terpchild so you don't miss it. Plant science, no hype.